fans. Pose for the fans. Pose for the fans. Pose for the fans. Pose for the fans.
Welcome everyone to Day News. We will discuss the history of Velas from the beginning to the future. Here we are joined by a historian, train engineers, and student representative, and a modern railway expert. To set the text, let's start at the very beginning. Historian Yusuf, how did this massive industry first come into existence?
Historically, early railway, which we now call rail, that a simple system used to transport something, where that carried were initially pulled by animals like horses or buffalo. This method was relatively safe and fast at the time. However, scientists and inventors wanted to create a more automated means of transportation, making it more efficient and easier. In 1698, a scientist named Thomas Avery invented the concept of a steam engine. However, the steam engine was still weak and unable to move carriage. Then, in 1763, James Watt perfected steam engine technology by inventing the crankshaft. This device allowed steam power to be converted into rotary machine, which later became the basis for the creation of steam locomotive. Then, in 1804, Matthew Murray, an English engineer, successfully created the first steam power locomotive. This discovery was followed by Richard Trevithick, who later exhibited a series of steam-powered trains as evidence of the development of transportation technology at the time.
Okay, thank you for the explanation. Now we will move on to the next speaker. I will now next the technical department about the latest development in manufacturing technology.
The development of rolling stock technology has progressed significantly from the early steam locomotive. That laid the foundation for modern railways. In the 20th century, steam engines were replaced by more efficient diesel and electric trains, which offered greater power, smoother operation, and better environmental performance, especially for urban transit. High-speed trains like Japan Shinkansen later emerged, using lightweight materials, aerodynamic design, and advanced electric traction. Maglev technology followed, enabling much higher speeds due to minimal friction. In the modern era, innovation include advanced materials, automated control system, and IoT-based predictive maintenance. Future trends point toward zero-emission trains, such as hydrogen and battery-powered units, as well as safer and more efficient automated train operation.
Thank you, Mr. Bagas. We have seen the global trend from steam to maglev.
You're welcome.
Now, students, representative students, you have a question about your national railways.
Yes, given our unique history, how did Indonesia manage the shift from steam to modern?
Okay, we will tell an engineer to answer questions from students.
That's a great point. The ship was just about when but why while steam dominated the colonial era for logistics. The transition to diesel in the 50s and 70s was driven by operational efficiency on challenging topographies. Steam trains were the primary means of transporting passengers, agricultural products, and various plantation commodities, and continued to played a significant role until the mid-20th century. Entering the 1950s until 1970s, there was a shift to diesel locomotive which offered higher efficiency, easier maintenance, and the ability to go longer trains. Diesel technology then dominated Indonesia's railway network and remains widely used today, especially for long distance service and freight transport. The year 1979 marked the beginning of the electric train era in Indonesia. This was proven by the operation of the KRL in the Jabodetabek area, which used electric motors powered by overhead electric lines. This development continued to advance until the launch of the Jakarta MRT in 2019, followed by the introduction of LRT in the Jabodetabek area in 2023. Overall, the development of trains in Indonesia show a shift from steam locomotive to electric and automatic trains, which has had a positive impact on society.
Okay, thank you for the explanation, sir.
Yes, you're welcome.
But I have another question. How is the discussion about the development of railway in the future?
Okay, we will call an expert moderator to answer questions from students.
Okay, so discussion regarding the future development of the railways are certainly underway and will continue. We can see development abroad and even in Indonesia, where there are finding innovations to refine rail transportation. Perhaps if we discuss them, there are three main points. The first is high-speed rail, automation, and green energy. First, let's start from high-speed rail. So this high-speed rail essentially represents a feature of transportation that is faster, more efficient, and environmentally friendly. In Indonesia, we have the KCJ, a collaboration between Indonesia and China. KCJ is the first high-speed train in Southeast Asia and demonstrated our commitment to keeping up with the development of rail transportation. Next, there are automation. In the advancement of rail transportation, one prominent feature is automation. The innovation of driverless train is being developed. In our country, the system has already been implemented in areas such as Greater Jakarta or Jabodetabek and IKN, which are currently in the three office. And the last is green energy. Perhaps of the innovation, this part is quite crucial because we know that trains certainly produce the lowest emissions compared to other land and air transportation. This must be maintained and there must be further innovation to support a better future for trains with green energy principle.
Okay, thank you for the explanation, sir.
Okay, you're welcome.
Okay, science are increasingly become sophisticated mode of transportation of the time. They are evolving in terms of comfort, facility, train materials, and even types of train. That's all the new